Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today let's try a easy and healthy evening snack which is Palak Paneer Pakora. This has no oil in it and very easy to make. Let's see how to do it. So here I've taken a bunch of fresh palak leaves. Just chop it. Transfer that into a bowl. With that, add in some paneer, chili powder, cumin powder, turmeric powder, some green chilies, some salt, ajwain, ginger, some rice flour, some ground flour. Now mix everything really well. You don't have to add any water. Just press it nicely. The water will get released from the paneer, and that will be sufficient to make balls like this. You can make any shape of pakoras. Now transfer that into an air fryer and fry it for 20 minutes in 180 degrees Celsius. Flip in between and fry both the sides. And our paneer pakoras are ready, which has no oil, completely healthy. So do try out this recipe. Leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot. Watch more amazing recipes from our channel. Thank you.